What is up, guys, and welcome back. I am MCR and this is MCR Tech and Gaming. Now, randomly, I received an email a little bit ago now talking about a product. Now, this product in question is not something I've really looked at properly before. The company that contacted me was a Chinese company called ATailorBird. Now, I will be honest, I have never heard of these guys before. Their email was quite vague, really. This is the first email I've ever received from a Chinese company as well, bear in mind. But basically, they were talking about a new product they've launched, which is obviously a mouse mat, as I told you. And the ATailorBird do a lot of selling on Amazon, according to the link. And I've taken a look, and they do sell on Amazon. And this product is also available on Amazon. But we'll get to that in a minute, guys, okay? Okay. So, getting back to the product. Now, they offered to send me out a mouse mat to review for you guys so you can check it out. So I waited and waited a little bit longer, and it arrived. And here it is. It's not what I was expecting, but it arrived. It arrived. So I keep doing that. Looking at the actual outside of the packaging, it hasn't got a ATailorBird written anywhere on this, as far as I'm aware. All the writing is in Chinese, apart from made in China. So I don't understand a word that's been said on this. It's a really bog standard container compared to what other products come in. This isn't much to look at, but let's hope what's inside it is a lot better. We have a little picture on the outside of it, just showing you really what you can do. But I suppose we need to really look at what's inside. Now, as I always do, I have completely forgot to bring a knife out with me. Just a bit silly, isn't it? But nevertheless, we are going to try and get this open with my hands. It is literally just, it reminds me of a poster tube. That's what it reminds me of. But we'll get it open. Now, as I pointed out, this is available on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below for you to go and check out after you watch this review video, unboxing video, whatever you want to call it. This video, okay? But let's try and open this up now. So, all I'm gonna do now, right, I'm just gonna try and just peel. I'm guessing they're using the sticker as a way to keep it sealed. That didn't go well at all. Let's try and nope. Twisting doesn't work. It doesn't work. We'll try. This is taking longer than I thought it would. It's stuck to me. For God's sake, get off me! Whew. Okay, we're in. So we'll slide the top off, box standard cardboard tube, and then we will proceed to removing this. Now, the company that it says on here is BUBM, 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 BUBMcase.com. That's what's on the box. It's not the same company that emailed me, basically. And go down there. Everything that's written on here is not the same either. But we'll open this up. Standard paper. And here we have okay. Stuff fell out. Stuff fell out. One sec. Wait, that fell out. It smells like strawberries because it says strawberry sachet on it. I presume this is just to keep the inside of the box fresh. But it isn't a cup. Do I drink it? If anybody speaks Chinese and knows what this is, then please tell me. I don't know what to do with it. Also, what fell out? Right, so we have a strap. I'm guessing this is so you can seal it up and wrap it away. That's a nice touch. It's double-sided as well, so if you want to you can have it on the yellow side. Now, as I pointed out, this is actually double-sided as well, and kind of feels leather. I'd hazard a guess to say it actually isn't, but it's a nice touch. But anyway, the mouse mat is double-sided. You've got a blue side and a yellow side. Roll this out. This will be a true test to see the quality of it, because if it stays flat, which it doesn't, every mat I've had up to now, when you roll it out, it stays flat. All I have to do is roll it the opposite way. Let's see if that helps. There we go. Right, so we've got the blue side. Overall, it feels nice, okay? It's quite a large size. As you can see from up there, it's quite a large size. It's not a bad quality. It's nice and big, so if you say put it on your desk, then you are going to be able to fit quite a bit on there. Keyboard, mouse. The gliding, if I had a mouse to put on here, I have a spare one somewhere and I ain't got a clue where it's gone. But if I was to have a mouse on here, just from feeling, you'd have a nice smooth experience. Glide on it is quite good. As scratching wise, I can see this being marked a bit easily, just because of the actual material it's made from, and I do not like that either. When you just have a boring imprint of, it's okay if you say put the brand logo on there, but this has got BUBM on it and their website. I don't like that. Again, they have the same logo appearing on the strap. BUBM, it's not even a logo, it's just the name of the company and their email. There's no need. They could have stamped that nicely with a small picture logo or something. Okay, part of it just fell off, and yeah, so they've not punctured the holes properly for that. And looking at it now, it looks like it may eventually come apart, but I suppose us using it, we'll have to see. But yeah, the blue, I like the colour. It's a nice colour, but it's not premium, okay? Let's be honest, it's not premium, and for the price you pay, you're probably not going to get premium either. But size-wise, it's good. Depending on what you're using it for, I'm sure it's quite handy. Let's have a look at the other side. It's yellow, not my favourite colour, but let's take a look. Whoosh. So that's the yellow. Right, on this side, we have no logo, we have no name, we have no website. However, you won't be able to see this on the camera, but on my bottom left, it'll be your top right. You can actually see where the indentation of BUBM is, and it's come through in sort of a white mark. Isn't quite good. Again, you're gonna have to really work on getting these little flappy bits down. You can see it up there, guys. It's just in the way. It feels about the same quality on the back, on the yellow side, as it does on the blue side. Plenty of glide, grip for your keyboard, plenty of space there. It's just this, really. As I've said, every mouse pad I've had up to now has, as soon as you roll it out, it's gone into place. It's only the lower end ones that I've noticed that do that, so they need to work on that. But yeah, it's not bad, and depending on what you're going to be using this mouse mat for, I'd say read the rest of the reviews on Amazon. You'll be able to make your mind up then by looking at things. If you are just going to be doing a general work, if it's just for your work desk, you're not too bothered about it. It will be good to protect your desk and just to have a little bit of grip, somewhere to put your cup as well, which is good. Gaming wise, I will go for something a bit more premium. Not just for the looks, but also for the quality and what you're getting with your mouse. Obviously, us gamers know when it comes to glide action for your mouse, you need to be on point. I just don't think this will provide it. I really don't. But it's a good quality startup mouse pad, shall we say, if you're going for the extra large ones. So if you are in that position, I'd take a look at it. As I said earlier, the link below in the description will be available for you. You'll be able to go over to the Amazon page and order this if you want, or just take a look at the reviews. I just want to say thank you very much to ATailorBird for sending this out to me for me to take a look at. It's very much appreciated. I've given my honest opinion and hope you live like that. Thank you very much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, then please consider doing so. It'd help me, and it's another channel for you to go and check out when you need to. I've been MCR, this has been MCR Tech and Gaming. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and as always, bye bye for now.